The introduction of the OK9 project is helping forces up and down the country to initiate their own wellbeing dog schemes. We've really seen the positive difference that dogs like Milo here can make, and we want all of our hard-working officers and staff to have the opportunity to benefit from the wellbeing dogs and trauma support dogs too. If you're interested in becoming part of this exciting and innovative project, then please get in touch with Oscar Kilo or visit the Oscar Kilo website for more details. And you too and your officers could benefit from having visits from dogs like Milo.